Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.